they finish settling in, a treasured item evokes the memory of Judy's late father.
I did everything with my dad, and whenever we'd go fishing, that is the lantern we used. It was my pride and joy.
What do you think?
Looks good.
I think so too.
Anything else?
It was very special to her and special to all of us in that way.
As weeks pass, the family quickly falls into a hectic routine. John's supervisory position as a diesel mechanic requires him to work long hours.
I'll call you later.
Oh, Jacob. Jacob, it is late. We're gonna be late for school, hon. We gotta go.
When will you be back?
I don't know, Mom. It really just depends on the job, hon. We'll see.
Okay.
Have a good day, okay?
Okay. Good luck.
Thank you.
Okay. Carissa, are you up yet?
I heard footsteps, and it was a hard step, like a man walking with boots on.
John? Did you forget something? John? Teresa, hurry up. You're gonna be late for school.
Mom, have you seen my compact?
Did you check your room?
I went to look for my powder. I couldn't find it anywhere. I came back into the bathroom, and it was right there, just as if it was purposely placed for me to see.
Thanks, Mom. Where'd you find it?
I didn't.
I thought that it was Jacob, being a prankster, moving around my compact.
But Jacob went to school like 20 minutes ago.
Days turn into nights.
I started to feel a little uneasy. Kind of a vague feeling of being watched.